Hero. Pull. Oh. Yeah. Woohoo!
Narrative text is text used to tell events or stories when they're real factual or imaginary fiction. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader, to tell a story with a moral or message, and to amuse and sometimes teach a lesson.
Very structure usually have three, but there are also four memory oriented. The message is usually planned with character, introduce time and setting. Secondly, there is communication, and the communication contains the problem or that in the story. The third is visualization, where the story finishes from the existing problems, and the last is coda or orientation. Well, usually this is not always there, but sometimes there are also used to use it. Usually it contains a moral or closing statement. Language feature is usually used, which is usually used. There are four. The phrase is past tense, verb, for example, when, sign, and some. Then there are action verbs. For example, usually before the time. And finally, there are adjective adverb. For example, be happy, eating. And as for the subject or dialogue, usually for dialogue, it is marked by the presence of quotation marks.
For the example, once upon a time, in the dense forest, there lived a smart deer. One day, a tiger went to eat him. The deer tricked the tiger by saying there was a bigger animal behind the tree. When the tiger went to look, the deer ran away quickly. Finally, the deer was safe and the tiger was full. The purpose of the example story is to entertain the reader and provide a moral message. Generic structure. Orientation. Once upon a time, in the dense forest, there lived a smart deer. The sentence is include the orientation because there is an introduction to the character deer, place, forest, and time setting. Complication. One day a tiger went to eat him. Here the problem begins to arise. The tiger went to eat the deer. Resolution. The deer tricked the tiger to the deer was safe and the tiger was full. And the problem is solved because the deer managed to trick the tiger. In this story, there are four language features. First, past tense, lived, went, trick, ran, was, and full. Shows the story has happened. Second, action verb. Trick, ran, went, lived, and went. Show the actions of the character. Third, time connective. Once upon a time, one day, when, and finally. Sequence events. And specific character, a smart deer and a tiger. Special character.
So, the conclusion of the narrative text is text used to tell events or stories when they're real, factual, or imaginary fiction.
Ikan hiu makan tomat. I love you. Oh, bukan gitu, kocak. Ikan hiu melayang-layang. I love you sayang, begitu guys ya.